What's going on? Paul here with Putco. Today we're going to take a look at our new 2024 Ford LED emblems. These are going to be our licensed LED emblems for our new Ford vehicles. We now have 17 to current fitment for our Ford Super Duties, 15 to current fitment on our Ford F-150s, and 19 to current on our Ford Rangers. Obviously, have all new emblems for the 2024 vehicle models. Really excited about that. It's going to be a direct replacement for your OEM badge. So as you can see here with our new Super Duty emblem, all the badges will account for any front cameras or spray nozzles you have, as well as the rear emblems as well. So very excited about that. The emblem itself is actually made from a black ABS material with a white macrolon lens. So all of your LEDs are going to be diffused completely, so you can't see individual light output points. And then it actually looks stock when it's off too. You can see that nice white Ford branding there. And then turns on, you got a nice cool startup animation and brilliant bright 6500K white light too. So really excited for this. I'm fully licensed by Ford, fully current too, with full coverage for any emblem style you have from the factory. Otherwise, this has been our new 2024 emblem rollout. I'm Paul with Putco. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, YouTube, and www.putco.com. Thank you.